In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a dispute on Aliexpress. If an order hasn't arrived, shows up damaged, or isn't what you expected, opening a dispute is how you request a refund or a return through Aliexpress. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you know exactly what to do and how to present your case clearly. First, open the Aliexpress app or go to the website and sign in to your account. Make sure you're using the same account you used to place the order. If you have multiple accounts, double check the email or login you use so the order appears correctly. Next, head to your order history. On the app, tap the account icon and choose My Orders. On desktop, you'll find My Orders in the top right area after logging in. Locate the order that has the issue, then click or tap View Details to open the order page. This is where you can see tracking, seller messages, and all the order specifics, which are useful when you prepare your dispute. On the order page, look for the Open Dispute or Return/Refund option and select it. If you can't find it, check your buyer protection time on that order. If buyer protection has expired, the system may not let you start a dispute, so it's important to act before the deadline. You'll be asked to choose what happened. Common options include item not received, item damaged, wrong item, or item not as described. You may also see refund only or return and refund. Pick the option that best matches your situation. As a quick guideline, refund only is often used when returning the product isn't necessary or possible, while return and refund is typically used when the seller requires the item back for a full refund. Now fill in the dispute details. Write a clear, concise explanation of the problem, including relevant facts like dates, tracking status, and what you received versus what was advertised. Select the amount you're requesting, whether that's a full refund or a partial refund for a minor issue. Then upload evidence, add sharp, well-lit photos of the product and packaging, short videos showing defects or functionality problems, and screenshots of tracking or your conversation with the seller. Keep everything factual and easy to understand. Evidence increases your chances of a favorable outcome. When everything looks correct, review your details and click Submit. That's it. Your dispute is now open. Keep an eye on your Aliexpress messages in case the seller or the platform asks for more information, and always reply with